What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about an issue that a ton of Mustang owners are having, and it is the classic Mustang tick, or what it actually is, rod knock. And if you don't know what the Mustang tick is or the rod knock sound is, here it is right here. Now, it's not too loud, but I mean, it's very, I know it's there, and that is the Mustang tick. Now let's go ahead and get straight to the point. How long have I had the rod knock? And it has been right at 60,000 miles, because after my first oil change that I did in my car at 30,000 miles, I started to hear a tick when I was actually at work doing a bank deposit, and as I was driving next to a wall, I was hearing this really obvious ticking sound, which was the rod knock. And I immediately started to get worried, so I went to all these Mustang forums, and it was either, your engine's about to blow or it's nothing at all. Which 60,000 miles later, I still have it, but I've taken it to the drag strip. I've done at least, I'm not even exaggerating, at least 1,000 just hardcore pulls, just pedal to the metal as hard as you can go. So, will it kill your engine? No. Does it even rob you of power? Honestly, I haven't noticed anything. Now granted, yeah, I've had it for the last 3 years, but it's not... I'm at 90,000 miles and nothing serious has gone wrong with my car. And it's kind of weird because I used some seafoam in my car. I put it actually in my crankcase, and it sounded like the ticking noise did quiet down just a little bit, but at the same time I've noticed, just doing different things with my car, I've seen that if I'm driving hard, I don't notice the ticking noise nearly as much. Actually, it seems like it goes away. Now, I will be changing all my spark plugs here within a month, so I will be taking the camera, putting it way down in there, and seeing all my cylinder walls, seeing if there's any scoring or anything, because on the 2018 Mustangs, now that is a completely different case, because I'm actually hearing that on the 18s, it must have been like a bad batch of engines or something, but they're actually getting like some scoring on the sidewalls, and it's actually causing damage to the engine. So I guess you kind of have to view it case by case, because some people are saying that, yeah, the engine's trash, and other people are saying it's just a classic Mustang tick. But if you have an 11 to 17 Mustang GT and you hear the Mustang tick, I wouldn't be necessarily worried, because like I said, I've gone to the drag strip, a ton of abuse, it's been daily driven, so with me not having any problems, I would say that, yeah, your engine's going to be fine, and that's what countless other forums say. Now, what actually causes the rod knock, I've heard that it's the geometry of cylinder number 4 or cylinder number 8. It's supposedly, very, very slightly off, so that's what causes the rod knock. But like I said, I used some seafoam that quieted it down, and also when you drive really, really hard, just from my personal experience, it seems to quiet that noise down too. And it's weird because your engine making this kind of sound, you would expect it to affect something, but with a high compression engine, I guess this is just kind of something you expect. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to calm some of y'all down as far as y'all are scouring the internet looking for different fixes for what's going wrong with your car. Most likely it's nothing, but if you're under warranty, go to your Ford dealership, and I've heard of people replacing entire short blocks, so hey, you might be able to get a new short block out of it. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.